Hey there, I'm Deanne Rosso, and I'm your host this week for Elevate Wealth. So this month, we have covered all the various phases of retirement. So if you missed those, be sure to go back and watch our last 4 episodes, which highlighted those 4 phases of retirement. Today, I'm joined by my coworker, Clarke Holt, an advisor at our firm, Elevate Wealth Advisory. And I wanted to ask you, Clarke, what is your number one basic tenet for financial success?
Good question, Deanne. So I would say focus on what you can control and control it. First of all, though, we have to talk about what we cannot control.
Right.
We cannot control interest rates, stock market performance, the economy, Washington, D.C.,
politics,
how politicians behave, catastrophic events, things like that. But the 4 areas that we can control are cost, risk, taxes, and behavior. So first of all, cost. In today's world, there are so many advantages to using low-cost investments, and so we want to look at low-cost diversified portfolios with low turnover, trying to manage taxes and be tax efficient. And as they say, there's no free lunch. But in today's world, we can certainly build out these very low-cost portfolios to add value.
Yeah, and we talk about these things in our office a lot. So cost, risk, tax, and behavior. You touched on cost. Risk. Make sure that you're in the right portfolio for your risk level. Make sure that your portfolio is aligned not only with what risk you're comfortable with, but what risk you need to take in order to meet your long-term goals. Taxes is something that, contrary to popular belief, we actually do have some control over. And so making sure that we're in a tax-efficient portfolio, making sure that our withdrawal sources are lined up, stacked up properly to control our taxes is incredibly important, especially during your building wealth and your transition phase.
I agree. Exactly.
What about behavior?
So behavior is my favorite because we can control our behavior. We can have discipline and the right temperament, and it's all about staying the course. And so it's easy to get anxious about the markets or the economy, but our behavior has so much to do with our long-term outcomes. And having that long-term discipline, that positive outlook, and staying the course, the end result is more money in retirement.
Exactly. So staying disciplined. So the 4 things that we can do, focus on what we can control is the number one tenet, but focus on cost, risk, taxes, and behavior. And I think if you do that overall, that you'll succeed financially. And that's what we're here to do at Elevate Wealth. So if we can help in any way, feel free to navigate to our website, elevate-wealth.com, and check out the rest of this series, Building Wealth, or the 4 phases of retirement. Of course, if you need help, reach out to us on elevate-wealth.com and click Let's Talk. Thanks, and we hope to see you again soon.